Hey, this is Jim. Welcome to my shop. Today I'm going to show you the Harbor Freight Pocket Tool Jig. And a lot of people say don't buy anything from Harbor Freight. Well, I personally say that you can find some good deals in there. I've used it actually for a few years now, and I don't absolutely love it, but I'm going to show you how it works. So stay tuned. Here it comes. Okay, here I am again. This is the Harbor Freight Pocket Hole Jig that I promised to show you about. A couple of things I like about it. First of all, it's adjustable. It clamps tight. Right now it's set for a 3/4 inch thick board or a 1x, and it's also adjustable. See the threads here and how it'll turn in and out of this. That will go clear up to a little over 1.5 inches. So you can strap a 2x4 or 2x6 in there and do it. The other thing I like about it is these are removable, so that if you need to take it to a place where there's something already in use and you need to take one of these over there and drill a couple of pocket holes in it, you can do that. You can pull these off and do that. So I'll show you how it's done. Lock that in there. Grab my drill. Already has my 2-step drill bit in it, the pilot hole and the shank hole. Drill a couple of holes. Okay, pop it out of there. See how nice and clean those are? Then I'll just stick it in here and I will put a couple of screws in it. Put a couple of screws in these holes. I'll show you how it works. Okay, then I'm going to take my other drill, my other bit that is a square-headed screw, because almost all pocket hole screws are square-headed. Not all of them, but most of them. Okay, there's one in, and there's one in. Look how nice and solid that is. That's not going anywhere. Now, if I were doing this like in a piece of furniture or a cabinet, I would glue this joint before I put the screws in it. And the reason I would is because a little bit of glue is better than no glue, because glue is actually stronger than wood. And this can rip out with extreme use, but with glue on it, it probably will not. So I told you there was a couple of extra things that I've done to it. Well, I'm not sure if I told you that, but I did. I've done a couple of extra things. For instance, I mounted it on this little sled so that it slides right up to the edge of my workbench, and that way it's not going to slip around while I'm using it. The other thing I did was I made this little jig to go in between these. When you pull them out, just unscrew this, pull them out, and then that goes right there and screws down, and then you're set up with an edge to grab similar to that, with an edge to grab, so that this will work to put pocket holes in the piece that you can't bring to the jig, like I said before. Thanks for watching. Like it, subscribe if you would, please. Thank you.